This is McCook's Mr. Bill, and we're doing a review, an interview, if you will, on the Crosman, and it's a 1077 rifle. It is a pellet rifle. I said pellet rifle. Gas powered. Gas cylinder goes in the top here. This unscrews. You drop your cylinder in, and it'll hold enough gas in that little cylinder to fire about 40 rounds. And the 40 rounds will shoot about 600 feet per second, or twice as fast as a Red Ryder BB gun, for example. So it does have some power. No, it's nothing equal to the break-open barrel spring guns that can fire 1,200 feet per second. But never forget that a number of countries now ban anything over 600 feet per second and call it a firearm. And even in the United States, a couple of states have now banned, or at least made them in the same classification as a firearm, any pellet gun that shoots over 600 feet per second. So this allows you to still have a nice pellet gun and still not have to follow all of the regulations that a firearm does have to follow. With a gas-powered pellet gun, about 4 cents a round rather than $3 for one bullet out of some of them high-powered rifles, you can see that a poor man can at least get and keep his skill level up, because no matter what trigger you pull, it improves your skill level of shooting. And never also forget that 9 out of every 10 bullets that's shot in the world today, 9 out of every 10 are shot at targets. Not at elephants, not at men, but at targets. And if you're just going to be popping a tin can or punching holes in paper, a pellet gun does just as well, or a BB gun does just as well as a .458 Winchester Magnum, and for a heck of a lot less money. It also is quiet. This gun shooting is quieter than a Red Ryder BB gun, and yet twice as fast. And so needless to say, if you're interested in something in the shooting skills, consider a pellet rifle or BB gun, because all of the other sports that you have, be it running, bowling, golfing, all of the other sports, about the only thing they can protect you wise is giving you a little bit of exercise so that you might be able to run away, And shooting, however, is the only sport that allows you to defend yourself at a distance. Because even though we spend $1 trillion a year in military and law enforcement defense of this country, not once have they got there in time to stop the carnage that happens. So they can curse the gun, but maybe it's time instead we curse the government that can't do the job, and so we have to do it ourselves. We will have to do it ourselves.